OFLV, Fiscal EJ, ask ko lang po, okay lang po ba na ang sinabi sa Miranda rights na kaso is theft pero sa mugshot po ginawa ng carnapping? Hindi naman po kasi final, no? Yung at the time na inaresto yung isang respondent or akusado, hindi pa yun final kung ano talaga yung kaso na ifa-file against that person. But what is important is whenever a person is arrested without warrant, he must be explained of his rights, no, as an arrested person, whether or not it's theft or later on naging carnapping. Hindi po importante yan for as long as whenever a person is arrested without warrant, sinasabihan po siya ng Miranda rights.